In this video, we're going to walk through using Kanban in Slingshot. So in this project, I am currently in a list view, and I'm going to come up here and I'm going to switch my view from list to Kanban. Now, when you first come into Kanban, you will be grouped by status where you can see your to-do, in progress, review, blocked, and complete. These things as well, your cards, are drag and droppable between your different swim lanes. But then you have a few other different features that come with Kanban. So if I come here, I can always change the group by. If I wanted to see things that were grouped by priority, assignee, or even section. And you can see your sections that come up here and they form a swim lane for you for your Kanban view. In addition, you can also choose which fields you want to see on your cards, where you can turn off priority or whatever it is that you want to see or not see. And then you can also change the sort by. So if you wanted to sort by title, status, start date, due date, you can do that within your Kanban so that you can see maybe what's due next within your different swim lanes. And that's how you use Kanban View in Slingshot.